And now it's the time we have all been waiting for. The judges will choose the 2 weakest contestants from the 6 groups that have performed tonight. The selected 2 contestants shall then have a chance to redeem themselves by choosing a participant from a different group whom they believe they can outperform in a head-to-head battle to stay in the competition.
It's unfortunate we have to get to this stage. Deep breath, deep breath. The competition is getting tighter. Like all the other competitions, we have to select a winner, and the rest will have some work to do. I'll say a name. I'll pick one of you, and the rest will leave the stage. Asena.
Sheila, step forward. I'm super proud of you, Mama. You've done so well. You're an excellent star. You've really improved. And I want you to just learn the technique of not shouting no matter what happens, okay?
So unfortunately, kuna group moja haijanifurahisha sana. Kuna moja ili outperform na kuna moja kidogo imetuangusha. Like we all agree?
Yeah.
So Jackie, please step forward. We all feel like kidogo you have work to do, but I know you're a fighter, so that's why nakupatia chance ingine, si ndio? Si ndio? Ukimshinda, we get to keep you. Ukishindwa hapo sasa tutaenda tu, si ndio? Please step on this side.